ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ ਯੂਐਸਏ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਸਿਟੀ ਹਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ। ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਅਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੈਰੀ ਡਾਇਰ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਹੁਣੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਐਪਰੀਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਸਿੱਖ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਮੰਥ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਕਲੇਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਆ। ਮੇਅਰ ਜੈਰੀ ਡਾਇਰ, ਵੈਲਕਮ।
Thank you. Thank you for having me on the show.
Thank you for doing this. And what are your initial thoughts on this?
Well, number one, it's my honor. I have a deep friendship with the Sikh community. They're a part of our fabric in Fresno. We're the ninth most diverse city in the entire country. And a big part of that diversity is our Sikh community. And they've been very, very supportive of me over the years when I was in the police department, now as the mayor. And so this is just my way of being able to recognize the Sikh community in Fresno. And quite frankly, everything the Sikh community's done for Fresno and our community.
Um, like these days, there's a lot of hate going on as well. Like some of the truckers, they're facing hard time across America. So, what do you want to say to everybody?
Well, we want the Sikh community to know that we welcome them. We welcome them in our community. We know that they have been extremely community minded. They've been very generous, work hard, raise their children. We have members of the Sikh community that are second, third generation that are here now. And people, I think, in Fresno have grown to love our Sikh community, whether they're farmers or doctors or business owners. We love members of our Sikh community, and we love our truck drivers too.
Or what are your things? What do you want to say to the Sikhs or the Sikh Americans who have prospered over here? What are your things you're doing from the city point of view for them right now? Are there any projects or any things going on with them?
You know, I have an office that's with community liaisons. It's our community affairs office, and one of our five liaisons is a Sikh member, J.R. Sayani. And we make sure that we do whatever we can. For example, we put in two of our parks, we put in cricket pitch courses for members of our Sikh community. We also support field hockey here in Fresno. And we do everything we can to accelerate Sikh members getting into the business, regardless of what that might look like, whether it's a convenience store or any other type of business. We do what we can to make sure that we remove some of the obstacles that might be before them and use our community liaison to guide them through the process.
Do you like, as you told, is the most one of the most diverse cities in America? Do you want to see a Sikh sitting in their chambers over there?
To see a what?
A Sikh sitting there inside the chambers as a council member?
I think it is only fitting and time that we see somebody from the Indian community, the Sikh community, that is part of our city council, and we have an opportunity. Actually, this time we have two members of the Sikh community running for city council seats. So
You're supporting them?
That's never happened before.
You're supporting them?
I have supported one of the two for sure.
All right. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
your time. Thank you.